masunog kaya? Super Saiyan mocktail, try natin. Tropical, unique, refreshing, masarap nga. Good evening kuya.
Good evening, sir.
Anong bestseller nyo kuya sa unique na drinks?
Itong Super Saiyan, sir.
Sige, try kayo kuya.
Lemon juice. Orja. Passion fruit cordial. The base, jasmine tea.
Anong flavor niyan kuya?
Tropical nutty refreshing.
Wow, nice.
Garnish with dehydrated pineapple. Then lemon boat. Cinnamon.
Di ba yung masasunog kuya?
Hindi naman, sir. Sinasalo siya actually nung lemon boat.
Okay. Super Saiyan mocktail, try natin. Tropical, unique, refreshing, masarap nga.